Yo, what's good guys? Today is October 23rd, 2025 and we are going to get over today's trade recap. This was my bias for today. As you can see, in the daily, you still respect this fair value gap. You need to mark this fair value gap with the volume imbalance included. As you can see, if you didn't mark that correctly, you probably got fucked in the daily bias. As you can see, this is a real fair value gap. We respect this fair value gap in Nasdaq and in the S&P 500 too. So we scale to the lower time frames. This is the overall chart. As you can see here, this is the overall range, daily range. This swing from here. So we made into premium. We tap in a premium PRA or the block, react from here, create a bullish PRA, which we are respecting by the moment, as you can see here, creating Asia, London, and in New York pre-market we ended up coming to sweep Asia high, creating a reversal, a bull reversal in here. As you can see, we sweep this internal being Asia, rebalance the range, coming back in premium, making an SMT. So I was looking to take longs from here to London highs and previous days IM session highs. So let's get over here. All right, market open here. Okay, so as you can see here, let's mark out London highs here. Okay, so market open, we start trading higher, respecting this sweep here. As you can see, if market wants to take buy side liquidity, probably market open is not going to manipulate and just continue as it happens here. So you can see market open and we start continuing this move we generated in pre-market. As you can see, pre-market make that sweep, market open didn't manipulate and continue to move up. So I am ready to look for targets. As you can see, we had London, this 15-minute high in here, and there's really nothing in here. So the next target for me was yesterday's previous day IM highs. Let me mark those out in here. As you can see, New York IM highs in there. So after we took London hikes, as you can see here, we start to close above London. So I don't expect London to be a reversal or a potential move lower because we are closing above with displacement. So what I was looking for, a continuation model. As you can see, we are trading like this. We made this manipulation in pre-market, London market open continued. So I'm looking for a move down in premium to trade to this external liquidity, being this 15-minute high and this previous day IM highs. So you can see, we create this 15-minute fair value gap here, which is a 5-minute, which is also a 3-minute, which is also a 1-minute fair value gap in here. So as you can see, we made an SMT with this 15-minute high that we had marked out here. As you can see, yes, sweep that high and makes this retracement. Let's call it a retracement. So we made this SMT. Nasdaq didn't took this high, so we engineered more liquidity to the upside. We still have that high and the swing we just created. So I was just using this SMT to price short into premium. As you can see here, is exactly what we did. we create this range, trading 50, 5, 3, 1 minute fair value gaps premium. Reject from here immediately. You say recovery, inversing 1 minute fair value gap, entering at the retest here, which stops at the protected low. And you could have aim for this. It was a 1-to-1. Me personally, I was aiming for here because I was seeing a lot of movement during market opens. You can see we almost moved like 200 points, so I was expecting this to be a cleaner move up. As you can see, we didn't get that move cleaner because after all we ended up probably hitting TP, but we got a lot of internal manipulation in the lower time frames. So as you can see here, I entered there this paper, but I was tape reading in paper, so we entered there and price just start rebounding here. The S&P 500 didn't took this high, so we start creating various SMTs. So I just was at break even, seeing if price wants to hold and continue to the upside. You can see we got edge break even once, twice, and this final move in here was the only one that made sense to me because it was an SMT here. I was really interested in price to put in because I literally knew that if we are chopping here, the only thing we can make that price go up is literally this SMT. So we got the SMT here, which was here. Oh fuck, there's no SMT in there. What the fuck? I sure it was an SMT. What the fuck? Alright, there's no SMT, so I shoot my fucking mouth. So the SMT price still hold this 15-minute order block in here. You can see this is the order block. Price was holding perfectly. So once we meet this move higher, I try my stop in here, and again we just swept in external liquidity, made an SMT. ES was still not above this high, so a brace SMT again in play. And after we made this big break candle down, I exited there because we engineered now one low, these two lows. We also had this 3-minute in here, and overall trade wasn't looking good because ES was being held by this hourly fair value gap, as you can see here. ES was just being held by this hourly fair value gap, so I didn't got the expansion move I was looking for. The trade idea was right, as you can see here. ES already took our target, so we probably get out when ES took it here. So it was a couple time ago, as you can see here. No, it was even. Oh, no, it's in here. As you can see, our TP will be hit, but as you can see, we got manipulated. We didn't got the move we were expecting, a clean move up, as we were moving in here, but that's unfortunate. And this is today's trade recap. See you tomorrow, guys.